Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the video and confirming you're signed in so preferences stick. Once done, locate the CC button or tap the gear icon in the player controls. That's where Caption options live. If you don't see CC, click the three-dot menu under the video and open Transcript to reveal available caption tracks. This gets you immediately into the caption controls, so you can change language rather than hunting through settings later. Next, open Settings and choose Subtitles or CC to see available language tracks. Pick one if it exists because that's the highest quality option. If your language isn't listed, select Auto Translate from the same submenu. This uses auto-generated captions translated into your target language. Once you pick the language, give YouTube a moment to render translated captions. Make sure to keep the player window active. Translations sometimes take a few seconds to appear, especially on long videos. Finally, confirm captions display in sync with the video. Toggle CC off and on to refresh if timing looks off. For mobile, use the three-dot menu under the player to access subtitles or the transcript option if CC isn't showing. If translated captions fail to appear, reload the page, clear the app cache, or switch to desktop, network, or cached player data often causes the issue. One key tip: if no captions exist at all, ask the uploader for a transcript or enable auto-generated captions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.